Do I not? God, let me read the manual. Who is the manual? And these are other three. Here, these are three. Oh God, I just wanted to say, you see, whenever I take a video,
I don't wanna call you later. You're tearing my heart up like it's paper, and somehow you turn to a stranger. We used to work, now I'm trying to make sure that we're both on the same page. I don't want it to complicate. I know you're riding away. Is there room for us both on the same way? Nothing breaks like clearly when there's love on the line. My best friend told me someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Oh, why, oh, why, oh, why would I, when you were barely even mine? Oh, why, oh, why, oh, why would I, I should've known from the start that you were a waste of an open bar tab, wiping my feet on the doormat. There's so much of you that I just can't leave. Yeah, nothing breaks like clearly when there's love on the line. My best friend told me someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Oh, why, oh, why, oh, why would I, when you were barely even mine? Oh, why, oh, why, oh, why would I, You're out there riding away, but is there room on the wave? Don't want a second thought, babe, I'll stay in mine. I'm all the give, you're the take. There ain't no fixing the break. Nothing left I could say. Ha, ha, ha. Nothing breaks like clearly when there's no one mine. My best friend told me someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Oh, why, oh, why, oh, why would I?
hi guys, it's 4. Right now it's 4:10 in the evening. I'm done with cleaning clothes, the 2 loads, but I felt so hungry. I was not even remembering I should eat lunch. So I'm making some pancakes. Yeah, right there. I'm done with the utensils. I'm done with almost everything. And even I've made some githeri. Imagine it's cooking here. Yeah, some githeri. That is what I'll make for dinner. Right now, let me eat some pancakes. Then I take a shower after that. I've been indoors. This weekend was so long. And if I fail to set the pace for the week, then my week will be spoiled. So that is why sometimes I take some time to stay indoors and do all my work so that the week can run smoothly. My goodness, I've put a lot of milk here. Hey, 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 hey. So let me make some pancakes. Then I take a shower, and I don't think I'll talk to you again today. Okay, I've put a lot of milk. See, no, no, you cannot see. Let me switch this one off first. I've put a lot of milk. I have to add some flour. Okay, I will cook a lot of pancakes. My goodness. And I wanted just a few. Sahi na nimeosha just right now. Let me make some pancakes.
I don't wanna call you later. You're tearing my heart up like it's paper, and somehow you turn to a stranger. We used to work, now I'm trying to make sure that we're both on the same page. I don't want it to complicate. I know you're right.
Point of view, I don't love my pan. Yes, I have a new one, a cast iron pot like these pots here, and I have not used it. I'm still stuck here, and I don't know why, and I don't know how to get out of here. Good morning. It's on a Monday morning, Monday 16th of June 2025. I think it's in the middle of the year. My goodness, by the way, it's in the middle of the year. Yeah, what have we achieved so far? All the visions, the vision boards, you know, but do we say we still have time? Just 6 months remaining again. So today is on Monday. We are doing the midterm exams. We are starting them today. And my pupils have gone to the toilet. We were doing some revision because we read through. I don't know the plan for the week, but I've just planned my week right now because I felt so blank. And then I've read the Bible. Guess the word that I've read? That, oh my God, I'm not looking at the camera. That, what have I read? Defeat. Let me read for you. Defeat does not come to those who trust in God, but to those who are quick to rebel against God. So defeat does not come to those who trust in God. If you trust in God, then you will never be defeated. Defeat does not come to those who trust in God, but to those who rebel against God. Those ones are the ones who are defeated. For us, we should trust in God. We trust in God, so we ain't going to be defeated. Yes. Have a good day.
Is there room for us both on the same wave? Nothing breaks so clearly when there's love on the line. My head's from time to someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Oh, why, oh, why, oh, start that you were a waste of an open bar tab. Wiping my feet on the doormat. There's so much of you that I just can't leave. Yeah, nothing makes it clear when there's love on the line. Yeah, I spent time with someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Oh, why would I, when you were barely even mine? Oh, why would I? You're out there riding away, but is there room on the wave? Don't want a second thought, babe, I'll stay in line. I'm all the give, you're the take. There ain't no fixing the break. Nothing left I could say. Ha, ha, ha. Nothing breaks it freely when there's love on the line. Yeah, I spent time with someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Why would I, when you were barely even mine? Oh, why would I don't wanna call you later. You're tearing my heart up like it's paper, and somehow you turn to a stranger. We used to work, now I'm trying to make sure that we're both on the same page. I don't want it to complicate. I know you're riding away. Is there room for us both on the same wave? Nothing breaks it clearly when there's love on the line. Yeah, I spent time with someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Why would I, when you were barely even mine? Oh, why would I? I should've known from the start that you were a waste of an open bar tab. Wiping my feet on the doormat. There's so much of you that I just can't leave. Yeah, nothing makes it clear when there's love on the line. Yeah, I spent time with someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Why would I, when you were barely even mine? Oh, why would I? You're out there riding away, but is there room on the wave? Don't want a second thought, babe, I'll stay in line. I'm all the give, you're the take. There ain't no fixing the break. Nothing left I could say. Ha, ha, ha. Nothing breaks it freely when there's love on the line. Yeah, I spent time with someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Why would I, when you were barely even mine? Oh, why would I?
Hi guys. Hi, how are you doing? It's on Friday evening. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm alive. God has protected me. Look at the camera. God has protected me. Right now, I had a very long day. I had a very long day. I didn't even eat lunch. Right here, I'm here warming yesterday's night leftovers. A child got sick when I was taking lunch and not got sick but was injured, so I had to take the child to hospital. So I left my lunch, took the child to hospital, and the child was treated. After coming back, the lunch was over, so nigevumilia tu. And it rained so heavily after coming back. So heavily. The other pupils were stuck in school, so I had to wait for them to go home. My goodness. After they went home, then I decided to go home. I was rained on properly, and the fare from where I work to where I live hiked. A place that I pay 20 bob. Yes, I paid 30 bob. That 10 shillings is so a lot with this Kenyan economy. You know that. But I paid 30 bob, and the car did not stop where it usually stops. Why? Because there was some chaos around the area where I live. I even don't know the reason why exactly, but as I was passing by, I had people saying that somebody was killed. So there were riots, they were protesting. Yeah. So I had to struggle before I reach in my apartment, but finally I did, and I came home. I came home safely. I was so rained on. I was wondering, should I take a shower? Should I change clothes? Should I sleep? I'm hungry. What will I cook? And even later, I don't know what I'll cook. But definitely, days like this, the thing we run for is not githeri. My goodness, is ugali. Is ugali. That is what we run for. So today is on Friday, 21st. Is it 20th? Yes, 20th of June. I don't think I'll post this vlog soon, or this week, or this weekend, no, because when you're vlogging, you have to have some interesting things that will capture the audience. The audience, yeah. But that week was super cool. Or it was super busy because I was just at work and I can't keep on showing you me at work every time. But now, because we are breaking for half term next week, I will find, I have some interesting things coming up the other weekend. Yes. And I think that is when I will post this vlog. So I did a reel today on Instagram, and my Instagram page is, please follow me on Instagram. People follow me on Instagram. I'll be so happy and humbled. I will, yes, my Instagram page is Joyce Minor 7. Joyce underscore minor 7. Joyce underscore minor 7. That is my Instagram page. Yes, follow me on Instagram and I'll appreciate. So I do those reels there, and I feel so happy because I love doing those reels, yes, and people love engaging, especially the reels I do at school from morning or spend a day with me. They have a lot of views other than the others, more than the others. So I love doing them. Please like, comment, or give a thumbs up, share. Hi guys, today I think I'm very attracted to my kitchen today. I think I'm so attracted to my kitchen today. Sorry for that. So I've received one of my deliveries, and this is it. Yes, from Smart Gadgets Kenya. It's from Smart Gadgets Kenya, and it is, let us unpack together. That is it. I'm so in a hurry to unpack. It is a phone holder because I want the perfect angles for my videos in my house. So let us unbox together. Let us unbox together and see what is inside. These are wipes. Remove excess dirt. Those are some wipes. And what is this for? String and nini? I don't know. Let us see. My goodness. What is in here? I think there is a manual. Ah, this is the magnetic thing. There are two of them. I don't know where I'm gonna stick them. I don't want to place them on my cooker. Okay, what is this for? How will I do this? Ni ya nini sasa? I don't know. And the thing is here. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy for this. My God, like anything that will elevate or anything that is for making content, I will purchase. I'm gonna definitely go for that. How do we go about it? On, off. Okay, wow, that is it. Wow. And then hii ni ya kutolewa. Should I remove this one or should I not? God, let me read the manual. Where is the manual? How should I go about it? How should I fix it? Because it's supposed to stick on. Can it stick on the phone? I'm sweating. Let me figure it out. Then I come back. How perfect that thing is. Yeah, it's sticking on the walls, and now I can. Here it's magnetic here, so I can stick my phone here, and it works. Wow. So, and it is so hard. You cannot even remove it. So the phone cannot even fall down. I'm in love with it. Wow. I'm in love with it. Wow. I love my phone holder so much. My goodness, it's wonderful. This is another view, and the light. You see now the light of the video, because now I've stuck this phone holder on the glass of the window, and now the light is coming in so nice. Open that window. The light is coming in so nicely. Let me flip my camera, and you see now. You see. That's the window. I need to flip it back. Now you can see me so clearly. I do love this holder so much, real much. I've gotten clear angles of my house. This is the best purchase. I do love it so much. Hey, see, that is the view. That's the window. That's the view. Yo, I'm happy. Guys, hey, I'm so tired because of the stairs. I've gotten another purchase and I'm so happy for it. They are wardrobe organizers. Please forgive the noise on the background. I hope they won't be copyrighted. I hope that. My goodness. So, this is another purchase. This is another delivery. These are wardrobe organizers. Let us unbox together. I've bought 5 of them. Yeah, here is it. I just did a video unboxing one, but that video was not clear enough. So let me just unbox the second one. There are 5 of them. Here is the one that I had unboxed, that one, and the other 3 they are here. So this is it, and this is how it is. I'm so happy. Yeah. Let me set it and show you how it is. Yeah, that's it. That's how it is. So big, so spacious, and it's so nice. So this one will help me so much in organizing my clothes because I've been admiring this for the longest. That is it. The noise outside, because you see I'm filming this with the phone holder that I've just gotten, and it's on the window, so that's why the noise. So that is it. That is how it is. I hope you can see it clearly on the inside and on the sides. Yeah, the sides, they are so strong. Yeah, that's how it is. I hope you can see it clearly. I love it. And there are 5 of them. This one, and these are other 3. They are here. These are 3. Yes, 1, 2, 3, and this one that I had unboxed. Yes. So they are 5. I'm so happy for them. Let me organize my clothes and clean the other clothes and see how it will be. I hope I will take a photo. Yeah, I'll show you how they are organizing clothes. They are so nice. I'm so happy for that. These are the things that we should go for sometimes because the clothes are so hectic. Anyway, let's do this.
I don't wanna call you later. You're tearing my heart up like it's paper, and somehow you turn to a stranger. We used to work, now I'm trying to make sure that we're both on the same page. I don't want it to complicate. I know you're riding away. Is there room for us both on the same way? Nothing breaks so clearly when there's love on the line. My best friend told me someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Oh, why would I, when you were barely even mine? Oh, why would I? I should've known from the start that you were a waste of an open bar tab, wiping my feet on the doormat. There's so much of you that I just can't leave. Yeah, nothing breaks so clearly when there's love on the line. My best friend told me someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Oh, why would I, when you were barely could say ha ha ha. Nothing breaks it freely when there's no one in mind. It's return to someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Oh why, oh why, oh why would I? When you were barely even mine. Oh why, oh why, oh why would I? I don't wanna call you later. You're tearing my heart up like it's paper, and somehow you turn to a stranger. We used to work, now I'm trying to make sure that we're both on the same page. I don't want it to complicate. I know you're riding away. Is there room for us both on the same wave? Nothing breaks it freely when there's no one in line. It's from time to someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Oh why, oh why, oh why would I? When you were barely even mine. Oh why, oh why, oh why would I? I should've known from the start.
Hey guys, today is on Sunday, and I've just had the slowest Sunday. I don't know, sometimes you just feel low for no reason. Yeah, and I hope you can see me well. Yeah, it's at night, and I'm just so tired. I don't know, I don't feel like cooking. I don't know what to cook, but I've ordered some bananas and potatoes, and yeah, I want to cook them. So yesterday I completed my executive virtual assistant course, and right now I'm making my profiles, and I just posted on my Instagram and TikTok and Facebook pages that anybody interested in virtual executive virtual assistant, what do we call them? Yeah, jobs, and I'll do for free for 2 weeks, and then from there, I'm on intern, and then from there I'll just start doing it seriously. So yeah, that is what I wanted to. I feel so low. I don't know, and I've noticed wherever I feel low, I just run to my camera. I just do something on my camera, talk to my camera, and then I psych up immediately. I don't know why. So let me make dinner. And I don't know whether I'll make dinner with you guys, but yeah, see you tomorrow. Is on Monday. See you tomorrow. And also, I wanted to say that I wanted today in the evening, I wanted to go and purchase a vacuum cleaner, but I couldn't make it. It was just a strong evening, and nikapata kumekuwa usiku. Now at 5 I couldn't go, so I think I will do it on, because tomorrow I will be busy. Tomorrow is on Monday, Tuesday I will be busy too. Wednesday protest, so I can't. So I'll do it on Thursday. Jesus Christ. I'll do it on Thursday, and also on Friday I'll be busy too. I think probably I'll post this vlog on Saturday. Those are exactly 2 weeks since I posted the previous vlog. Yeah, let us do it slow until we get there. Something is here. Let us do it slow until we get used to everything. Otherwise, follow me and subscribe to my channel. I'm so honored and happy that I'm able to do this once again, and this round I'm saying this again and again and again. This round we are here to stay. I'm not only telling you this but to myself. This round we are here to stay. We are walking we are walking through this journey together with God. Like, I want to say something that a YouTuber keeps on saying every time. Those are mosquitoes. That whatever God can't do does not exist. Whatever God can't do, it does not exist and will never exist. Yeah. Have a nice evening. Oh God, I just wanted to say, you see, whenever I take a video, sijui nachagamka tu. I just find myself happy. Even if I was so low, I just become happy all of a sudden. So I wanted to say that I found a lot of variety of angles in my house. Now you can see. So guys, I was talking without a mic, and I think I have to repeat everything I was saying. I'm saying that I found different angles on my house with that phone holder, and I'm so happy for it. That thing was worth my money. And so I want to uh, show you something else that I bought and I had not shown you. I don't want to forget. This is a Nivea sunscreen, and it is working so well because I noticed every time I'm under the sun, my hands and my legs, they turn dark. Not my face. My face does not change anywhere, and I need to make my eyebrows, and my hair is so bad. My goodness, it's so bad, and I don't like it, and I will make it soon. So I'm so happy for this. You can buy it too, but I tell you, I felt the pinch of buying it. I really felt the pinch because I felt it was expensive. 2,300, I think, something like that. But it works so well. It is worth your money. This one here, let me show you a little bit. This is not the one that you apply a lot because that money, I've never applied on my face because I fear applying this on my face. I won't lie. I do fear. So I apply on my hands, and whenever I'm under the sun, I don't turn dark. And I'm so happy for it. I'm happy. Let me make supper and let me clean utensils. See you tomorrow. Have a nice week.
That you were a waste of an open bar tab, wiping my feet on the doormat. There's so much of you that I just can't leave. Yeah, nothing basically break. Nothing left I could say. Ha, ha, ha. Nothing breaks like freely when there's no one in mind. It's return to someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Oh, why would I? When you were barely even mine. Oh, why would I don't wanna call you later. You're tearing my heart up like it's paper, and somehow you turn to a stranger. We used to work, now I'm trying to make sure that we're both on the same page. I don't want it to complicate. I know you're riding away. Is there room for us both on the same way? Nothing breaks like freely when there's love on the line. My best friend turned to someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Oh, why would I? When you were barely even mine. Oh, why would I? I should've known from the start that you were a waste of an open bar towel, wiping my feet on the doormat. There's so much of you that I just can't leave. Yeah, nothing breaks like freely when there's love on the line. My best friend turned to someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Oh, why would I? When you were barely even mine. Oh, why would I? You're out there riding away, but is there room on the wave? Don't want a second thought, babe, I'll stay in mine. I'm all the give, you're the take. There ain't no fixing the break. Nothing left I could say. Ha, ha, ha. Nothing breaks like freely when there's love on the line. My best friend turned to someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Oh, why would I? When you were barely even mine. Oh, why would I? I don't wanna call you later. You're tearing my heart up like it's paper, and somehow you turn to a stranger. We used to work, now I'm trying to make sure open bar tab, wiping my feet on the doormat. There's so much of you that I just can't leave. Yeah, nothing makes it clear when there's love on the line. I spent time with someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Oh why, oh why, oh why would I, when you were barely even mine? Oh why, oh why, oh why would I?
Unfortunately, I didn't manage to get the vacuum cleaner this time, but fingers crossed it will be in my next video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss it. More exciting things coming up very soon, especially the review of my washing machine. I decided to redo it again because last time it was not very clear and I want to do a clear one. Thank you so much for watching my video. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you and bye.